Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about leadsleap, why I joined leadsleap. And this video is like a long time in coming. Had a whole bunch of life events happening, health, family, lost family members, just all sorts of craziness happening out there in personal life. And I know I'm preaching to the choir, but anyways, still got to move forward because that's the only thing you can do. So leadsleap, it's the first program that I lead off with. It's free to join, or $27 a month. You can do most everything with the free version. So I mean, it was just like, when I first came across it, I was kind of iffy about it because it was kind of chunky and bulky, and there's all this stuff, and a page builder is a page builder. Which, when I say page builder, I mean a website you can build like capture pages, splash pages, pages that look like what I'm clicking on and showing you. I thought, page builder is a page builder is a page builder. But it's not just a page builder. You can actually get traffic from the leadsleap site. You get traffic, you can make sales funnels, capture page, splash pages, sales pages, copy what other people are doing, model it, make it your own. There's all sorts of stuff on here. And again, it's free. They pay out in Bitcoin as well, which I like because I take my earnings, I take the Bitcoin, I put some in my trading, I put some in some more traffic, I put some in my pocket. It has a place. There's so many things, and this is just supposed to be an intro video. This video, the whole purpose is just to say, hey YouTube, I joined leadsleap. Here's my free link. Sign up, create yourself a free account. Let's start making some money together. Obviously with my BLC plan, but I'll have that linked in the description. leadsleap. I'm just go down some of the things that you can do here. Everyone that you sign up as a follower, they could become your follower. I'm just click on view followers. I don't think it'll show their information. But, so I get 97 this week. I got 2 so far. Every time you upload a video to your YouTube channel, leadsleap will email that video to all of your followers. And whenever your followers log into their leadsleap back office, they'll get not smacked in the face, but they'll see your video, your write-ups on programs. So for example, every time I log in, I see my sponsor, Edward Keat. Shout out to Edward Keat. He's the one that really kind of turned me on to leadsleap. But every time I log in, I see his face right there in my back office. Also, he has a little write-up, hey, I'm your leadsleap sponsor. This is my other recommended systems and other recommended programs. You can promote other programs here on leadsleap. You can promote other programs right here on leadsleap. leadsleap will become a traffic source. Who are you promoting to? Other leadsleap users, free and paid. And it's a traffic source. So if I join leadsleap, why would I promote leadsleap on leadsleap? No, you promote your other programs on leadsleap. What I personally promote is my BLC plan. So yes, I have a leadsleap capture page and I have leadsleap splash pages too. These are splash pages that I saw other leadsleap members using, and I modeled them. I saw what they were doing. I adjusted it with my own stuff, and I got my own little systems. And I promote these on leadsleap. Why? Because I'm not just promoting leadsleap. I have a system, my BLC plan. leadsleap is the first program. If they're already in leadsleap, cool. Join me in Cash Juice. Join me in everything else, my whole traffic getting plan. That's what I promote on leadsleap. And again, it's a traffic source already built in. You create a free account. You can duplicate sales funnels and share codes and do what other people are doing. And that's kind of what also turned me on to this, because I see so many other marketers doing these leadsleap systems. This came from another guy. I liked his system, so I copied it. I modeled it. Same thing here, and both of these are very similar. It's just a splash page, not a capture page. I'm not capturing anything. People can sign up for leadsleap, then when they click show me the system, then they'll see the rest of my plan, basically my BLC plan. Speaking of which, if you join me in my BLC plan, which again, it's all free, this is what it looks like. This is another version of the same thing. It's just, it has less videos. It just has banners and more text. Same thing here. I just took my system and just kind of adjusted it a little bit. And I have many different pages to promote the same thing, my BLC plan. But anyway, not trying to promote the BLC, I'm just trying to talk about leadsleap. You got an autoresponder, which is the best default autoresponder I've ever seen out of all of these page builders. I joined another program, and I would always tell folks, look, if you can't afford the big autoresponders, Aweber, GetResponse, things like that, use the default. But those default autoresponders suck. leadsleap, it is one of the best default autoresponders you can get, and you get it free. You don't even have to be a paid member to use it. So again, there's so many different things, so many different aspects. Also, you can get paid through advertising other leadsleap members' sites. So I have a blog. I'm not going to pull it up right now. But on my blog, I have this little AdSense. It's kind of like Google AdSense. Basically, you put a little bit of stuff on your website, and it will show ads. And these ads are from other leadsleap members promoting different things. And when people click on them, when other people click on other people's ads through your site, you get paid a kickback. So you can get paid when other people click on other leadsleap members' ads through your website. So if people come here to my splash, say I'm advertising this page. Nobody wants to click this, but somebody scrolls down here and just accidentally clicks on one of these links down here. I'm going to get a tiny little kickback. Is it a lot? No, but it's a little kickback that helps the bank account out over time. And again, leadsleap is a traffic source. It also has, I'm going to just click down here on daily active bonus. My future videos, I'm going to get into how to use it and all that kind of stuff, but this is just basically a, hey, YouTube, I joined leadsleap, get your free account at the link below, let's roll, or join me in my BLC plan. But again, these are my clicks. It has a traffic exchange. You click ads, you get traffic for clicking the ads. Today, on average, I try to click about 20 ads a day. You earn credits. Credits can be used for more clicks to your website, or you can actually cash them out in the form of cash. I use it, obviously, always for more traffic. That's just me. But again, every day I surf about 20 ads. I get traffic. The ads, where are the ads? The ads are these other links down here you'll see. Again, it's a page builder. It's a traffic source. It's almost even like a networking kind of site. Almost. Like all of your followers, you sign up, you can send them a message. Like everyone you signed up, free and paid, you send them a message. You can promote other things to them. Doesn't matter. The owner of this site is a genius. He's not, you can't promote certain types of opportunities. Adult, porn, things like that. But everything else, it doesn't matter. There's some places where the company owners don't want you promoting other deals. Here, it's not like that. It's meant to promote different things. And again, you can create a free account and start going through the things. I'm wrapping this video up. My leadsleap link will be below. My leadsleap link will be below this video. Probably drop one of these two. You'll see one of these two down there. But again, there's so many different systems out there with leadsleap as the first step. and they absolutely kick ass. Sorry if you had any kiddos around. But again, I think it's an amazing system. You can't beat the price. And, when your folks upgrade to $27 a month, they get different options. I'm not really going to cover that now. But you can get paid in Bitcoin, paid straight to your bank account. Same deal. That being said, wrapping this video up. Name's Rob Frazier, my free Leads Leap. A link will be in the description, and I'll include a link to probably my BLC plan underneath the video as well. Click on it, join for free, and then stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one.